Welcome back to Home Time XYZ. It's Natasha, and thank you for your time. And guess what, guys? Guess what I got? So yes, not the air fryer. So I got a Ninja Creami Deluxe. Woo-hoo. So guess what? I'm gonna unbox it to show you guys what it comes with and how it works. So for people on keto like myself, this is good because you can make your own ice cream, and then you could use your own substitute, and you don't have all the extras in it. So that's the good thing about it. Or just for your kids, you make regular ice cream with sugar, yes, but at least you put in your own everything in it and you know what's going in it. And then this makes it creamy, just like ice cream that you'll buy from the store. But I think the big thing is you can do your own flavors with it and know what ingredients you're putting in it. And what I found with it is with ice cream, everything is just cream, right? So milk, cream, and you're flavoring whatever you want. So they have this book and it has a lot of things, a lot of ingredients that you can try. So we're going to try some today. Wash it. It comes with its cup. And there's some other little cups. I'll get those in a bit. And here it is. So you can do ice cream in it. You can do lattes in it. You can do gelato in it, sherbet in it, frozen drink, milkshake, slushy, right? So there's a lot of options that you can do. But for today, we're going to try the ice cream because that's the big thing. Before we can blend anything up, we have to freeze the mixture for up to 24 hours, 12 to 24 hours. So we're going to try the basic ingredients. So this one is just the basic, and then you can add things to it, like if you want to add your almonds, your fruits, your cocoa powder, your Oreos, whatever to it. So this is just the basic mixture. So we're just going to follow this. It has 1.5 tablespoons of cream cheese. So I have it here in the microwave for 10 seconds. I did that. And then we have our 1/2 cup sugar. This is not keto. This is just regular. This is for the kids. And then we have vanilla extract here, and we're gonna have 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. And then I don't have whole milk, but I have 2% milk, so we have 1.5 cup of whole milk. I have keto, coffee, a drink mixture, and I have the vanilla. This is the regular vanilla with regular granulated sugar. And guys, I have the keto vanilla. So this one I have, the oat milk and the substitute sugar swerve in it. So we have to leave it, when you take it out of the fridge, you leave it out for like about 10 minutes, or you can run it under a little water for a few seconds, just to give it a little salt and take it off the crust, I guess. That's what the instruction says, so we're following the instructions. And then we're gonna put it in here and test it out, okay? So we're gonna leave it here for about 10 minutes, let it thaw a little bit, and then let's try it. It is a little loud, and let me just show you. So while we're just leaving this here to thaw out, so it can fit under your counter. It is tall, it can fit under your counter. I'll show you where I put mine over there by my air fryer. So if you want to leave it on your counter, you can, or you can put it away. Like if you don't like to have a lot of things on your counter, you can put it away when you're finished using it. It's a little weighty, but you can move it around. So if you want to keep it out for the summer, or just whenever you want to use it, because I'm sure you're not going to use it every day unless you really like ice cream that much, right? It works. So let me just show you. Just first, I should know how to put it on. There you go. So this cover goes on. We'll just do a test here while we wait. I can get the cover on. I find this is a little tricky to go on, so it takes time to get just familiar with the cover. And the cover locks, right? You have to push it in, right? And then once you push it in, you're gonna twist it up. And it locks itself in, and then it's ready. The light comes on, and you change to whatever you want to change it to, and then away you go, right? And then when you want to take it off, there's a button at the side here. You press it, it unlocks it, you bring it back down, and out you go. And then you just take it off. Again, another lock. Everything locks up here, it's like childproof. And then you get your ice cream. Okay, so that's how that works. Let me just show you the cups. So the cups, so it has like a frozen line, it has a pouring line, so you can't go over the lines because then of course it might damage the machine. Right, so it's stopped. So now we can take it out. I have to remember all these buttons. Back a little bit. Okay, unlock. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Look at how creamy that is. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, so let's test it. So if it's not creamy enough, you could put it back in for a second time. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. Now I need to invest in some ice cream bowls that I don't have. Let's see. Oh, okay, so it worked. Yeah. And of course, this is the original. So it has sugar, so I'm just gonna take a little bit. Oh, it tastes so good. Oh, it's sweet. But it tastes fantastic, guys. It tastes like you know, like country churn ice cream. Like when you go to the countryside, you get those nice ice cream that's just creamy, and I'm making a mess. I'm really having that sugar, but it tastes so good, guys. It's creamy. Hence the name. It's creamy. It's a little bit watery because it's a little bit hot here, so it's gonna melt quickly. But it's fantastic. Wow. And the thing for me is that you know what's in it. For the kids, because this will be for the kids, they like Oreos. So this is where it has an option here that's called a mixing option, right? So you can mix stuff in. So we have some Oreos. And who doesn't like Oreos? So you can put it in. First, what they said, make a hole in the middle of it. So let's do that. This is why I read the instructions. Just make a hole in the middle of it, right? Like that. And then I'm just gonna put some Oreos in it. Let's just do, right? Or your nuts, so your Smarties, or whatever fancy things you want to go in, right? So now you can mix it in. And then all we're gonna do, so I put my Oreos in. Let's just push it down a little bit. Everything is a mess here. It's really hot here today. And then we're gonna just put the cover back on. Keep it clean. And then we have the mixing. So you're just gonna mix for a few. So let's try that one and see. Oh, I forgot. There are rooms here, so you have to full. So it's still full, right? Ice cream. I'm just gonna leave it on ice cream. You can put it on the light if you want to, but we just need to mix it. 2 minutes. Okay, so the mixing is finished. Let's take it down. Unlock. And the same thing here, button. Look at this. So I can take it out now. Put this aside. So there we go. It's all mixed up. I see a little pieces over here. And if you don't think it's mixing up, sorry, it's really soft, but I think it's really hot here. If you don't think it's mixed up enough, you can mix it up again. That's fine. But the point is here, it's soft. And it's really hot here today. So it's melting already. But there we go. We have Oreo ice cream, which used to my favorite at Baskin Robbins. That was my ice cream go-to. Cookies and cream was always my ice cream that I would go to. I will taste it for old time's sake a little bit. That's sweet. Look good. Soft. Oh, look at that, soft. Make sure you put on your AC on a hot day because it melts quickly. Because of course this ice cream is real milk. It doesn't have any additives in it to keep it firm and all that kind of stuff. It's just real cream. It's really good. This thing here. All right. And again, look at that. All right, so let's take it out. So this is our keto. It's very soft today. Maybe I left it on the counter a little bit too long, but that's okay. So here we go. All right, so this is keto so I can enjoy this one. Again, country churn ice cream. Now I did put in this, they asked for half cup sugar. It is sweet, so I would reduce the sugar. Yes, it's sweet. But that's for me. So you can reduce your sugar and maybe do a quarter sugar. But apart from that, guys, this ice cream, I can taste the essence in it. Fantastic. Can you imagine if you put fresh vanilla bean in it? Oh, you can do that. Okay, that's good. So this means we have keto ice cream for the summer. I'm gonna stop eating now. Okay, so that's lovely. Ice cream doesn't really have a smell, but that's it. Fresh ice cream. Let's see how many ingredients, right? Because usually if you go, you buy a carton of ice cream, there's a ton of ingredients. So look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ingredients, and it's all the ingredients you can pronounce, and all the ingredients you know. Milk, cheese, sugar, essence, or whatever flavor you want in it, right? Because you know there's so many flavors out there you can add to it. So do the base, and add whatever you want to it. Fantastic. And you're set to go. From time to time, you should wipe this out, of course, to maintain your okay, everyone. So try the recipes. I'll leave the link up. Tell me what you think about it. If you get one, if you're planning to get one, if you can get one. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll test it out, or test out the recipe so you can see. But yeah, tell me what you think about it. But God bless you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.